Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring safety and clear access. Turn off the local power and verify with a non-contact tester so you don't work on a live feed. Put on gloves and eye protection and set a stable ladder. This prevents slips. Next, locate the aerial cable run and free any nearby obstructions so you can reach the connector. Once done, collect the proper tools, crimper, replacement connectors, wrench because having them ready speeds the repair and reduces time spent on the ladder. You now inspect the cable carefully to find the disconnection point, looking 6 to 12 inches from the connector for nicks or corrosion because hidden damage causes repeat failures. If the inner conductor or dielectric is compromised, cut back to a fresh end. Strip about 1/2 inch of outer jacket and 1/4 inch of dielectric precisely so the conductor seats properly. Then install the matching connector, crimp firmly, and verify continuity with a meter. This confirms a sound electrical and signal path before resecuring. Finish by fastening the repaired cable to the mast or terminal and tighten fittings to the manufacturer's recommended torque so mechanical stress won't reopen the fault. Weatherproof the connection with silicone grease and a self-fusing tape wrapped to block moisture. Make sure there are no gaps. Once done, restore power and measure signal levels. If readings are low or intermittent, replace the entire run or inspect upstream splices. If problems continue, the key troubleshooting tip is to temporarily swap in a known good cable to isolate the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.